Hello and good morning. Welcome back again at my channel Unplanned Traveler. This is Naveen and today I'm going to share my experience of fast boating in TEHRI Dam in Uttarakhand. So keep watching and I'm sure you will enjoy the video. Before we begin the ride, I would like to share the 360-degree view of TEHRI Dam. Are you ready? Let's begin the journey. Wearing life jacket is compulsory as a matter of your life. So enjoy and take care of yourself at first. It was an amazing experience to dive in the water and sharing the first boat with friends and journey mates. Special thanks to Pankaj, Yash and Vikas. If you enjoy the video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Your likes and comments keep me motivating to upload more and more videos. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहने के लिए आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. फिर मिलते हैं जब मिलना होगा. गुड बाय.